100 on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Yung tuhod nyo ha. To make sure na nakaganto lang. Okay? Tapos, dapat intact yung core. Tapos, shoulder tap. Stay, last day.
Wala. So focus natin today ball manipulation. I-challenge natin yung pag-manipulate sa bola. So we're going to use lipstick. There are times or most of the times yung mga players, they just dribble the ball na hindi sila aware kung saan pumupunta. O, mukhang okay, nakakapag-practice ka, but in reality, hindi siya game quality. Okay? Para mas maging game quality yung pound over nyo, don't just do like this. Okay? Kailangan may goal kayo, kailangan may target kayo. So once I do this, watch guys. Consistently, na-hit ko yung white and red. Okay? Yun yung purpose kung bakit tayo may equipment. Okay? At the same time, itong lipstick na napo-force ako, force accountability to para yung dribble ko talagang exaggerate ko. Kasi pag wala to, and wala to, itong drill mat and to, ganito lang gagawin ng iba. Understand guys? We're going to add pocket dribble. So, pound over pocket. Okay, so same pound over pocket. Mag-start ako, nag-grab ko na yung ripstick. So, on my first pound, I'm going to place this ripstick. Tapos, on my pocket, kasabay na itong grab. So full speed guys, watch. Gusto natin mag-train yung brain, yung poise during game habang nagdi-dribble kayo. Para kung sa game may sumundot, kaya nyo i-protect ng offhand with poise, hindi kayo ma-offensive foul. Okay? Okay, grab it hard. Ang lamya daw ng pag-pick up para daw kayong babae. Okay? Grab it hard. Okay, so mag-add lang tayo ng between the legs or through the legs after nung pocket. Pound over pocket through. Mas tricky, okay? So, on your pocket, bigla yung babagalan ng todo. So, pound 100%, over 100%, going to your pocket, baksa kayo ng mga 60 to 50%, then through 100% again. Like over. Gets? So, 100% si pound. Si over, biglang 20%. Mag-add lang tayo ng behind and cross. So, pound, over, pocket, through, behind, and cross. Alternating yan. dito realistic. Okay, in reality, may tao talaga dito. So since nasa training tayo, i-enhance natin yung paggamit nyo ng inside leg by avoiding this ripstick. Okay, gusto ko lang, from stationary position, meaning hindi ako gumagalaw, etong inside leg ko, madala ko, imagine this another drill mat here. Okay, so ito, gusto ko madala from this position, rhythm of 3, 1 pound, second pound, yung third pound ko straight to the pocket. Then ito, i-turn ko na siya, then grip on it. Wow, avoid this ha.
Down pocket, then atake ko na.
In quality. So make sure meron kayong target kung saan kayo mag-end up. Okay, don't just do this, boys. Okay, I'll go other side ha. Yan, mukhang pogi, mukhang cute. Pero hindi siya effective. Okay? Pwede kayong magbagal, pero make sure meron kayong magandang space. So be aware pa rin kayo sa inside step nyo, pero this time we're going to do inverted drop. Pero itong drill mat siguro, ripstick, i-place ko dito sa word na grip. LL at saka grip. Okay, so start ako sa center, sa middle. So rhythm of 3 pa rin. Pound, pound, inverted, di ba? Ito yung drop. So since dinagdag natin yung word inverted, magiging ganito siya. Kasi baliktad. Okay, tapos end up pa rin tayo dun, speed stop. Tapos ito guys, push cross. Avoid this ripstick. What? So full speed.
Forward and full.
Ang i-workout natin guys, different levels of flow. Okay? So ang una, yung exaggerated. So, galing sa drop, flex yung phone dito. Okay, pagdating dito, play, and drag, under, foot switch. This time, instead dito ko naman i-grab. Okay, then finish lang tayo. Mag-stop na tayo guys ha. Physical ano tayo, fuse. Okay, so gagawin, drop, go. Pag kinuha ko to, into shot. Okay, pero kapag hindi ko kinuha, so go attack. Okay.
Sorry to.
Go attack. Okay,
Tigil.
so, natin.